Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today, inshallah, we are going to learn Ahkamun Noon Saakinah wa Tanween, rules of Noon Saakin and Tanween. There are four rules of Noon Saakin and Tanween. Before starting rules of Noon Sukoon and Tanween, firstly learn about Noon Sukoon and Tanween. When there is no fatha, no kasra, or no dhamma on top of the noon, sometimes you see a circle on top of the noon or ha sign on top of the noon. It's called noon sukoon or noon sakin or noon sakina. And tanween is fathatain, kasratain, dhammatain. Today, inshallah, we learn four rules of noon sukoon and tanween. First one is izhar, second one is idgham, third one is iqlab, fourth one is ikhfa. Inshallah, in today's lesson, we will learn about izhar. The first rule from the rules of Noon Sukoon and Tanween is izhar. Izhar means clear, and there are 6 letters of izhar: hamza, ha, ain, ha, ghain, kha. These 6 letters are called throated letters, halqi letters, the letters that come out of throat. Hamza, ha, ain, ha, ghain, kha. For understanding izhar, you need to memorize these 6 letters. Hamza, ha, ain, ha, ghain, kha. Izhar rule is very simple. When Noon Sukoon or Tanween comes before halqi letters, then you will have to pronounce Noon Sukoon or Tanween clearly. You will have to show Noon Sukoon or Tanween. For example, in Surah Al-Fatiha, صراط الذين أنعمت. This is Noon Sukoon and next letter Ain. Ain is one of Huruf al-Halqi. So you have to show Noon Sukoon. You don't need to stretch nasal sound like an'amta or an'amta. It's simply an'amta. Now see the example when halqi letter comes after Noon Sukoon. For example, in ana, in ana. وَمِن شَرِّ حَاسِدٍ إِذَا حَسَدَ. This one, حَاسِدٍ إِذَا حَسَدَ. Minhum, minhum. That's all for today's lesson. I hope you understand about izhar. In next lesson, inshallah, we'll learn next rule. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.